Hey guys, Steve Owen here. Today's episode deals with koalas and how genome sequencing has opened our eyes to their highly specialized diet, the complexity of their immune system, and their biodiversity. So to start out, we're going to hang out with these koalas and observe their behavior. You can see some of them munching on these eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus leaves, however, are highly toxic to other animals. The recently sequenced genome of koalas showed that they have large numbers of detoxifying genes called CYP450 that make eucalyptus leaves a possibility in their diet. These also have been found to have a water taste gene, which is believed to help them sense water in the trees. These genes are great for their diet because koalas obtain most of their water from eucalyptus as well. However, these detoxifying genes also have a downside. The same genes that help them eat toxic leaves also rapidly break down any pain relief drugs or antibiotics that may be given to them. This makes it difficult to help koalas that may need medical attention. Let's go to Dr. Pillar for some newfound information about koala diseases. Hi, Dr. Pillar.
Hi, Steve. We have collected data and found that one of the most prevalent diseases in the koala population is chlamydia, which can cause complications like blindness or sterility. Young koalas are believed to gain some protection from the antimicrobial proteins in their mother's milk. This only provides limited protection. The other prevalent disease in the koala population is retrovirus. This not only makes the chlamydia worse, but it has also been linked to cancer, which would bring in a whole new problem for the population.
So how does genome sequencing help with researching these diseases?
After extensive research, we have sequenced and put together the koala genome. The genome consists of 3.5 base pairs and contains vital information about a very specific gene family called CYP450. This family makes it difficult to develop a cure because of how fast the antibiotic is metabolized by the enzyme from this gene family. Furthermore, we have tried administering higher doses of the antibiotics, but our results indicate that the higher amounts upset the gut flora bacteria in the koalas. This has made finding a cure a very difficult task, but the sequence of the koala genome has revolutionized the way we try and develop the treatment for these diseases. We can see how retrovirus is rapidly spreading throughout the koalas in the northern regions, while the southern regions are still partly untouched. The rate at which the disease is spreading is alarming. Furthermore, we have reason to believe that the retrovirus has started within the last 100 to 200 years. We are hopeful that this new discovery will help us find a treatment sometime soon.
Thanks, Doctor. Well, Dr. Pillar has been using the genome sequence to study how these diseases are able to colonize on koala DNA. Other scientists have been using the sequence to study populations as a whole and how these populations differ in variation. This here is Dr. Caitlin, and she will tell us more about her discoveries.
Hey Steve, so what we have found has been very interesting. First off, the koalas used to sequence this genome were from New South Wales and southern Queensland. The koalas from Queensland show that there are higher levels of diversity amongst the population, while the New South Wales population demonstrated much lower levels. Genetic diversity is important in these populations because it can lower the occurrence of genetic diseases. Recent deforestation and urbanization has decreased the population numbers greatly, and in turn increases the probability of inbreeding, which causes a decrease in genetic diversity. Inbreeding is a major cause of genetic disease because related koalas' DNA is very similar, and it is highly likely that they each carry a recessive allele for any disease. If they mate and their offspring inherit both of these alleles, and in turn they will become infected. Our new research can help us identify less diverse population areas and give us the opportunity to introduce new animals with new genes to these populations.
Hopefully your research can help save these precious animals. Deforestation and urbanization should be taken very seriously, and it doesn't only affect the koala's genetic diversity, but their entire existence as well. But that's it for today's episode on koala, guys. Hopefully you learned something.